Most traders lose not because of strategy, but because they trade at the wrong time. A perfect setup in a dead session is still a losing trade, right? A perfect setup in a dead session is still a losing trade. Price behaves differently depending on the sessions, and ignoring this skill or ignoring the sessions, it actually destroys the accuracy. So if you don't understand when liquidity enters the market, you will mistake manipulation for structure and noise for opportunity. So in this video, this is for traders who mark great zones, understand structure, follow their plan, but still get stopped out because they enter at the wrong times when the market simply isn't moving. Here is your first win. If there is no volume, there is no opportunity. You cannot force liquidity. You cannot, and you will not make the market move. Price respects time, liquidity respects time, opportunity respects time. Forex is a global market, but not all hours are equal. Okay, Forex is a global market, but not all hours are equal. So different regions control different parts of the day. And with those regions, it comes different liquidities, different volatility, different behaviors. If you treat the chart the same 24/7, you are fighting the market instead of following with it, right? So if you find yourself maybe probably treating the charts the same way 24/7, you are basically fighting the charts, or you are basically fighting the market instead of flowing with it. So what are these sessions? We have the Asian session, we have the London session, and we have the New York session. Okay, so the Asian session is of course comprised of two sessions, the Sydney and the Tokyo session. So let's look at the Asian session. So this is the Asian session, right? You can see my chart here. This is the Asian session. The entire of these marked there is the Asian session. So the Asian session, it tends to create consolidation. Why? Because liquidity is lower, institutional volume is lighter, and major banks in London and New York are offline. So common traits of the Asian session: tighter ranges. As you can see here, we have very tight ranges, slow price movements, accumulations, and also fake outs. Okay, accumulations and also fake outs or fake breakouts. So the Asian sessions often set the range, builds liquidity, and create imbalance zones for later. This is where beginners get trapped. They see slow movements and chase it. They scalp the chop. They get wicked out. All these kind of behaviors that happen during the Asian session. But smart traders, they use the Asian session to analyze, not to attack. The second session is the London session. And this is the London session where you can see there. That's the London session. So the London session is basically known for expansion. So when London opens, everything changes. As you can see here, when the London opens, the price takes out the Asian liquidity. Like I have a video on liquidity explained, liquidity is what moves the markets. I did that video sometimes back. And once it takes out that liquidity, we start seeing expansion, right? So liquidity enters, banks are active, institutional orders flow, stop hunts begin, like you can see in this case. Breakouts occur, like you can see in this case, when the price broke above the Asian highs. And this is when you see expansion, structure shift, liquidity grabs, and strong directional moves. Basically, what we are saying is that London sets the tone for the day. It defines the buyers, it reveals the intent, and it clears liquidity pools from the Asia. So as you can see, liquidity, sell side liquidity for the Asian session taken out, and also it clears the buy side liquidity for the Asian session. So this sets the tone of the day. Once you see this kind of structure, it gives us the tone of the day, and this means that this day is gonna be bullish. All right. So you need to notice how liquidity enters during the London Open. And how to notice these, basically, you can maybe probably be in your charts when the price is opening during the London, and you'll be able to see how the price moves very swiftly. So the reason why I'm saying you need to know how liquidity enters during a London Open, how the sweeps happen, then trend or reversal unfolds. Okay, so this is the most important session for beginners to master, because price movement is cleaner, direction is stronger, and manipulation is more predictable, right? Then we have the fourth session, the third session, which is the New York session. And this is the New York session. So in the New York session, you need to understand that New York's overlaps with the London, and that overlaps create massive volatility. So two primary behaviors in the New York session: continuation of London buyers or reversal after liquidity is cleared out. Okay, so we see the price continuing up during this New York session, so the continuation of the London. But once this liquidity is cleared out, we see a reversal, right? We see a reversal. So New York also reacts to US news, USD strength and weakness, and also the market sentiments. So when New York opens, you often see large moves, liquidity grabs, sessions highs and lows taken, profit taking as well taking place. So it's a decisive session. It either confirms London or corrects it. This is where traders make or lose the most, because opportunity is high, but so is volatility. So put simply, Asian builds, London expands, New York resolves. The flow is systematic. Asia accumulates, London distributes, New York finalizes. When you understand that flow, you stop trading randomness and you start trading intention. All right. I believe that is very clear. So I was this kind of a person who used to trade wherever I felt free or wherever I was free, not when the market was active. I let my schedule dictate my entries, and the market punished me for it. Once I started trading sessions, my accuracy improved overnight. So trade the sessions, ignore the clock. The same setup will perform differently depending on when you execute it. Asia is consolidation, London is expansion, New York is resolution. When you align your strategy with sessions, you align with the liquidity, and liquidity is the engine of movement. Now let's talk about indicators and why they confuse most traders. Because most people use indicators to justify entries instead of understanding the market beneath them.